doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries. Two bros singing in an alleyway, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay. A sinner broke into my house and started looking for money, so I started looking with him. I'm broke as shit.
And remember, viewers, life goes on.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Somebody shut him up.
No, I will not elaborate. I have no idea what the hell I just said. You're never fully dressed without a small...
Listen here, creeper. You don't know everything about me. I have a lot of hidden talents.
Well, they must have been hidden pretty well if you can't even find them. Hey, Vox, you should clean your messy room so that you're the only trash remaining. Started from the bottom and somehow managed to get even lower. Cheese is just a loaf of milk. Kids these days screaming in public with no real problems. I should be the one screaming. Being happy is like peeing the bed. It hasn't happened since I was 7.